Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. As there has been requests for a non-veg pizza, today I bring to you a mouth-watering chicken pizza loaded with chicken sausages, salamis and veggies. You can also call it a chicken extravaganza. So let's get started. I have already prepared the pizza dough as shown in my previous video. We'll be leaving the link in the description box below. Now roll out the dough, keeping it a little thick at the edges. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe for sure and hit the bell icon. Now brush a little oil on the plate which I will be using to bake the pizza. Place it on the plate and stretch the dough gently at the edges. Prick the pizza base of the dough with a fork so that it does not puff up while baking. Now we shall spread around half a cup of pizza sauce on the base. I have already shown you how to make pizza sauce. You can find the recipe in the description box below. Now sprinkle around a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese generously. Now top it with onion petals, some sliced green capsicum, tomatoes cut into squares, seeds removed. Add some sliced yellow bell peppers, a sprinkle of corn. Add sliced chicken sausages and salamis cut into strips. Some sliced black olives. Sprinkle a little more mozzarella cheese. Season with some salt, oregano and chili flakes. Brush a little oil on the edge of the pizza and drizzle it with a teaspoon of olive oil. Our pizza is ready to go into the oven. I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. We shall bake the pizza for 25 to 30 minutes. So friends, our mouth-watering chicken pizza is ready. Do try it at home and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again in my next video. Till then, bye bye.